Welcome to Tech School of Maths. Please, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our videos. Right, today I want to show you how to solve linear equations with fractions, like the one that is appearing on the screen right now. Right, so we have a few steps that we have to follow. The first step is to clear all denominators. If you have more than one, clear all denominators, right? The second step is to remove all the brackets. Then after removing all the brackets, we collect like terms and simplify both sides. Then the final step is to divide both sides by the coefficient of the unknown. Right, here is our first example. Right, solve the equation 2 factor of x plus 1 all over 3 is equals to 4, sorry. Right, in this video I will explain one method only, where we'll be multiplying by the common denominator. I will explain the method of cross multiplication in another video. There is another video that I will prepare for cross multiplication. So in this case, I will be clearing the denominator by multiplying by the common denominator. So in this case, we look for the common denominator of all the fractions. We only have two fractions here, the left hand side fraction and this 4. This 4 is the same as 4 over 1. So we are saying the common denominator here, we have two denominators, 3 and 1. So the common denominator is 3. So what we are going to do is we are going to multiply both sides by the common denominator, which is 3, like this, right? Then this 3 in the denominator will cancel with this 3 here, remaining with the numerator, which is 2 factor of x plus 1. On the other side, it will be 4 by 3, right? There is this common error most people usually make. Never cancel this 3 on the left hand side and the other 3 on the other side. This 3, never. Just cancel this 3 on the left hand side and this 3 on the left hand side, like that, right? Let's move on to our next step, right? We now have 2x, a factor of x plus 1, right, which is equals to 12. After multiplying 3 by 4, we get 12, right? Now let's remove brackets. Right, we are removing these brackets. 2 is multiplying everything in the brackets. We are saying 2 by x, we get 2x, 2 by 1, we get 2, like this. So 2x plus 2 is equal to 12. Now we have these 2 on the left hand side, which is a like term of 12, because these 2 are both independent of x, so they are like terms. Let's take this plus 2 to the right hand side of the equal sign, and it will be minus 2 on the other side, right? So we end up having 2x, which is equal to 12 minus 2. Simplifying the right hand side, 12 minus 2 is 10. So 2x is equal to 10. Then at the same time, let's divide both sides by 2, the coefficient of the unknown. Right, 2 into 10 here, we get 5. So our answer is x is equal to 5, like this. Right, done with our first example. Let's move on to our second and last example. Right, solve the equation. Right, in this case we are solving an equation with two fractions as well, where we have 5 as the denominator on the left hand side and 3 as the denominator on the right hand side. So let's look for the common denominator. The common denominator in this case is 15. That's the lowest common multiple of 5 and 3. So we are going to multiply both sides. Since we have two fractions, and we are going to multiply every fraction by 15, like this, right? So 5 into 5 is 1, 5 into 15 is 3, right? At the same time, 3 into 3 is 1, 3 into 15 is 5, right? Now let's simplify. 3 by 3 is 9, so 9 is now multiplying to x plus 1, like this. this 3 by this 3 will give us 9. So 9 is now multiplying 2x plus 1. At the same time, this 5 by 2 we get 10. So this 10 is now multiplying 2x plus 3. Right. Let's now remove brackets on both sides. 9 by 2x we get 18x. 9 by 1 we get 9. On the other side, 10 by 2x we get 20x. 10 by 3 we get 30. Alright, let's collect like terms. 18x is a like term of 20x. At the same time, 9 is a like term of 30. Right, so let's take 20x to the left hand side. At the same time, taking 9 to the right hand side. Right, 18x minus 20x simplifies to minus 2x. This on the other side, 30 minus 9 we get 21, like this. So minus 2x is equals to 21. Now that we have a single term on the left hand side and a single term on the right hand side, we can now safely divide both sides by the coefficient of the unknown. Our unknown is x and the coefficient of x is minus 2 in this case. So we are dividing both sides by minus 2 like this. Right, minus 2 into minus 2 is 1, minus 2 into minus 2 is 1. Then on the right hand side, minus 2 into minus 2 is 1, then minus 2 into 21, it is minus 10.5. Right, like this. So our final answer is x is equal to minus 10.5. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our videos.